Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the smartest, coolest, and most practical product reviews. Today, we're taking a dive into the best inflatable 10FT x 30IN above ground pool you can get your hands on. The INTEX 28121EH Easy Set Inflatable Swimming Pool Set. Let's unpack what makes this summer essential a top pick for families, backyard enthusiasts, and anyone looking to cool off without breaking the bank. Just find a flat surface, ideally lay out a ground cloth if you have one, inflate the top ring, and begin filling with water. In about 10 minutes, you'll see this pool start to take shape, rising and expanding as the water fills it. It's almost magical how simple it is. Perfect if you want to spend more time swimming and less time setting up. The pool's dimensions are perfect for small to medium backyards. Measuring 10 feet in diameter and 30 inches in depth, it offers just the right amount of space to splash around, float peacefully, or even play a game of pool volleyball with the kids. With a total capacity of 1,018 gallons, you're looking at plenty of water fun without needing a massive footprint in your yard. But let's talk about durability, because that's where INTEX truly stands out. This pool is constructed using puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material. That means it's built tough to withstand the typical wear and tear of summer activities. Whether it's rowdy kids, sharp pebbles under the pool, or even the occasional stray dog paw, the material is designed to hold up strong. And in case of any damage, a patch kit is included to keep the good times going. Filtration is a crucial part of any pool, and INTEX knows this. That's why they've included a 330 GPH cartridge filter pump, powered by hydro-aeration technology. This system improves circulation, enhances filtration, and boosts water clarity while increasing the number of negative ions on the surface. The result? Clearer, cleaner water that feels fresher and is healthier for your skin. In terms of power, the pump runs on 120 volts, making it compatible with standard US outlets. If you're using it internationally, a converter might be needed, so keep that in mind before your purchase. It's a fantastic deal for the features and quality you're receiving. Another underrated aspect of this pool is its portability. Unlike metal frame pools, this one can be drained, deflated, dried, and packed up easily at the end of summer. Storage is simple, and reusing it the next year is just as effortless. While it's best suited for kids and adults looking for a place to relax and cool down, you should always supervise children when the pool is in use. The maximum water depth is 23 inches, which is perfect for safe splashing but still requires attention. In summary, the INTEX 28121EH is all about combining simplicity, quality, and affordability. It's fun, family-friendly, and delivers on every front. It's no surprise that it's ranked as the #1 bestseller in its category. If you're considering an above-ground inflatable pool this season, look no further. The INTEX Easy Set Pool is a smart investment for endless summer fun. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Got questions or want us to review another backyard essential? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay cool.